Now, when ArabPlast 2025, it is my pleasure to invite Miss Jasmine from BORCHE. Hello, Jasmine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah.
And Happy New Year 2025.
Happy New Year.
So, this is the new year, and could you please share to me what is the main goals for the 2025 from BORCHE?
What a good question at the very beginning of 2025. For this market, definitely the main target, our goal is to have more market shares and more customers. And in one word conclusion, that is order.
I know you always handle the business in the Middle East. Could you please share to me what is the special need in the Middle East market?
Regarding what you said, special, I think in reality there's nothing special, but everything maybe is special.
Wow. So, for example?
Actually, for each market, we have to consider two important points. One is that you have very good quality products. The other, you have good service support. I think these are the special thing, but also not special thing, because they are basic points. For example, you can see there is a big pallet sample here,
yes,
which is the most popular part on our exhibition. A lot of customers who are interested in producing such big pallets, which is a popular trend in this market. But for us, BORCHE, we have been providing a lot of such successful turnkey solutions to the customers here in UAE or in Saudi Arabia. So this is a special point that we can do. We can do such kind of a system, such kind of solution very well, and we can give the customer good solutions, good outputs. Then this is a special reference.
Okay, thank you so much. About this kind of questions, BORCHE is how to let the customer satisfy and how to solution the questions.
Simply to answer your question, I think we can reply or answer in two aspects.
Yes.
One is about the product. You know, BORCHE is always focused on very much on the technology, research, and the development. So we can always offer customer very customized solution to satisfy their requests. On the other hand, the second aspect is that we also invested a lot or cooperated a lot with the agents, or we invested our subsidiaries offices or service offices to support the customers all over the world to give the in-time service support. So I think with these two aspects, we can satisfy mostly the customer's requirement.
Wow, that's wonderful. Here, I wish a Happy New Year again, and I wish good business.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.